All right, buyer clients, let's talk about home value and what you should ultimately pay for the home that you like. Now, there's an empirical factor to this, right? There's the data that's shown in the comps, that's shown in recent sales nearby of homes of similar size, condition, age, and type, right? Those are the raw data points that help give us bounds as to what we think the property might appraise at. And assuming you're getting a loan, that appraisal number is really going to be the most important thing that we focus on when we're helping you understand what you should offer on a home. Now, exactly figuring out the price is going to be something that's different property by property. And that's where working with the Coalition Properties Group agent and leadership is going to help you figure out what puts you in best position to win. And also working with your lender helps us understand your capacity and what you're able to do. Sometimes the value of a property is going to be higher than what the data might show at that time. This is because there's constricted supply, there's more demand, and there are more qualified people with a lot more money in our region that are willing to spend top dollar or beyond just to secure the home. I always tell our buyer clients that time is a universal equalizer when it comes down to matters of finance, money, and buying homes. So if you can consider a longer ownership horizon on the property, that might empower you to spend a little bit more than maybe the current market data shows is supported, or more than the property might appraise for. Now, this is nothing that we're going to say is a blanket decision or something that all buyers have to do. But if you can consider that this house is a place you're going to own for 5, 7, or 10 years, then possibly paying a slight premium relative to market value can make sense for you. Just trust that when we're making advice, when we're making suggestions and we're trying to figure out the best strategy for you to be successful, we are looking at the numbers, we are considering your situation, but we need you as the buyer to let us know, how bad do you want this house? What will it feel like if you miss out on this house over 5,000 or 10,000, whatever that round number is? And also, in your conversations with the lenders, what is your actual maximum capacity? I always tell this to clients when they're thinking about what they need to offer, but the best opportunities are often just on the other side of what's comfortable. They should never be on the other side of what is feasible or makes sense for you financially. So it's figuring out that sweet spot in that space. That's honestly where home value is going to land and going to lie, in us figuring out what makes the most sense. So just know that we have a process. You should trust that process, but we need to make sure you understand our interests are aligned in getting you into the best opportunity possible for your situation and needs.